Is Bzip2 Compression Library pathing failed due to the Bzip2 Library DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows System Specialist. Let's repair your internal links and get you back to work. To start our guide for Bzip2 Library, you can follow the manual steps or use the suggested tool for workstation health. This is the Bzip2 Library. This library is a Windows implementation of the Burrows-Wheeler block sorting text compression algorithm. It is responsible for handling high-ratio data extraction for applications that use the .bzip2 format. If this file is missing, software update agents and cross-platform tools will fail to unpack compressed assets, leading to a failed to decompress or library load error during localized installation. With that background out of the way, here is how we actually restore the missing component. Since Bzip2 Library DLL is a third-party dependency belonging to the Bzip2 Compression Library toolkit, performing a fresh installation of your host application where you received the error is the only way to ensure the library is correctly placed. If you're still finding yourself stuck after the reinstall, our next priority is to check for any active blocks in the system path. A quick system restart is a practical way to ensure that all shared libraries, including Bzip2 Library, are being loaded correctly into the current session's memory. To keep this tutorial handy, make sure to bookmark it or hit like button before you reboot. It saves you from having to look for the video again once you're back online. If a quick restart didn't do the trick, it's time to look deeper into the system configuration. If you need to pause the video to find your settings menu, I'll be right here. If the restart didn't fix the library error, we need to manually repair the specific C++ redistributable package. First, go to Control Panel, then select Programs and Features. Second, find every Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable, 2005 through 2022. Third, right-click each and select Change, then select Repair. If that fails, download the latest all-in-one VC++ redistributable package from Microsoft's website. Please note that for DLL files with numbers, the number tells you which version to repair. For example, 120 equals 2013. To ensure long-term stability, we should review the safety risks associated with unverified file sources. I strongly advise you to prioritize system safety by avoiding manual swaps of Bzip2 library. Third-party DLL sites are a primary vector for hackers to inject ransomware directly into your operating system's core. Beyond manual troubleshooting, many users find that a system-wide diagnostic scan provides a more complete picture of their environment. If background issues persist, the recommended software below outlines maintenance concepts related to Bzip2 library. To keep Bzip2 library running with a stable configuration, subscribe to our channel and like this video to help us reach more users in need of support.